Episode 5, Multiplication of Fractions and Mixed Numbers. So, Part 5, Fraction by Mixed Number. Part 6, Whole Number by Mixed Number. And Part 7, Mixed Number by Mixed Number. So, let's start. Example number 1, what is the product of 1/2 and 3 and 1/2? So, we have here the word product. Again, the operation is multiplication. 1/2 times 3 and 1/2. So, as we know, ang ginagawa natin para makapag-multiply ng fraction, minumultiply natin ang numerator by the numerator and then denominator by the denominator. But since yung unang fraction natin na 1/2 ay may numerator and denominator, yung mixed number nating 3 and 1/2, dapat walang whole number yan. Dapat ay numerator and denominator lang yan. So, anong gagawin natin? So, yung 1/2, kokopyahin. Then, para maging numerator at denominator po yung mixed number natin, gagawin natin siyang improper fraction. So, paano yon? Times. So, 3 times 2 equals 6. Then, 6 plus 1 equals 7. Then, kokopyahin natin yung denominator na 2. Now, we can proceed to multiplication. So, 1 times 7, which are the numerators, equals 7. Then, now, multiply the denominators. 2 times 2 equals 4. So, our initial answer is 7/4. So, hindi pa yan final answer kasi improper fraction. So, gagawin ulit natin yung mixed number. So, paano gagawin yung mixed number? So, i-divide natin yung 7 by 4. Or, tanungin natin yung estudyante natin. Ilang 4 meron sa 7? So, meron tayong 1. Then, ang sobra ay 3. So, we have 1 and 3/4. That is our final answer. Example number 2, multiply 4 and 1/3 and 2 pips. So, we have 4 and 1/3 times 2 pips. Again, we have here a mixed number. So, gagawin natin yung improper fraction. So, paano yon? 4 times 3 equals 12. Then, 12 plus 1 equals 13. Then, copy the denominator which is 3 times 2 pips. So, kukopihin na lang natin siya. Then, proceed to multiplication. Numerator times numerator. So, 13 times 2 equals 26. And 3 times 5 equals 15. Again, we have here an improper fraction. So, i-simplify natin yan into a mixed number. So, we have 1 and 11/15. So, that is our final answer. So, kung nalilito kayo kung paano naging 1 and 11/15, balikan natin yung dati nating video or lessons. So, part 6, whole number by mixed number. So, what is the product of 5 and 2 and 5, 6? So, we have here again the word product. So, 5 times 2 and 5, 6. So, ang gagawin natin, si 5 ay gagawa natin lalagyan natin ng denominator. So, it will become 5 ones times the mixed number will be turned into improper fraction or i-rename natin siya. So, 2 times 6 equals 12. Then, 12 plus 5 equals 17. Then, copy the denominator which is 6. Then, pwede na tayong mag-multiply. So, 5 times 17 equals 85. And 1 times 6 equals 6. Again, this is an improper fraction. So, we will rename it into mixed number which is 14 and 1, 6. So, that is our final answer. Example number 2, multiply 7 and 1/4 and 8. So, we have 7 and 1/4 times 8. Again, the mixed number will be written as improper fraction. So, 7 times 4 equals 28. And 28 plus 1 equals 29. Then, copy the denominator which is 4 times. Yung whole number, gagawin natin ng denominator na 1. So, we have 8 ones. So, multiply. But before that, lagi nating titignan pag ganito malalaki yung number, pwede tayong maggamit ng cancellation. So, 29 and 4, hindi po, walang common factor. 8 and 1, walang common factor. 29 and 1, walang common factor. 4 and 8, merong common factor, which is 4. So, 4 divided by 4 equals 1. 8 divided by 4 equals 2. So meron pa ba? Wala na. Wala nang common factor ang numerators and denominators. So, proceed na tayo. So, 29 times 2 equals 58. Then, 1 times 1 equals 1. Again, we have here 1 as the denominator. So, the answer is the numerator, which is 58. So, that is our final answer. Part 7, mixed number by mixed number. Example number 1, find the product of 2 and 1/2 and 3 and 1/4. So, we have 2 and 1/2 times 3 and 1/4. So, ang tinuturo natin, dapat ang factors natin ay numerator at denominator lang, walang whole number. So, gagawin natin improper fractions ang mixed numbers. So, we have 2 times 2 equals 4 plus 1 equals 5. So, copy the denominator times, we have the second mixed number. So, 3 times 4 equals 12. 12 plus 1 equals 13. Then, copy the denominator. Then, check if there could be numbers that or numerators and denominators that can be cancelled. So, this time, wala po. So, proceed tayo. Numerator times numerator. So, 5 times 13 equals 65. Then, 2 times 4, which are the denominators, equals 8. Then, we have an improper fraction. So, we need to rename it into mixed number. So, i-divide natin yan. So, ang ating answer is 8 and 1/8. So, that is our final answer. So, yun lamang po. That is our multiplication of fractions. Final episode na po natin yan. Thank you and God bless.